In this figure, you can see a slab of size 10 meter into 4 meter into height 0.15 meter. We have from this figure we have volume of slab is equal to 10 into 4 into 0.15 is equal to 6 meter cube. Now we have dry volume factor is 1.54, so dry volume is equal to 6 into 1.54 is equal to 9.24 meter cube. Similarly, we have M20 concrete grade. So M20 concrete grade ratio is 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. Now for calculation of cement, we have cement is equal to dry volume 9.24 into 1.5 by total sum of uh, M20 grade ratio. So according to calculation, we have cement is 48.4 bags, sand is 2.52 meter cube, aggregate 5.04 meter cube. Similarly, water is 1210 liters. Thank you.